Hey dancers, this is your jump around tutorial, starting with step 1, step 2, step 1 and 2 repeat, going into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and possibly 8. We'll see if we get there, okay? So you can follow me in the reflection of the mirror, pardon my backside, but you can follow my steps here, so we're going on the right side together. 5, 6, step 1, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, reach tall, 6, 7, 8. Step together, right, left, step together, do step 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, right, left, going on, right foot goes. Box, 2, 3, 4. Box, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, we jump out, cross, turn, take a walk. Right, left, jump together. Left, jump together. Step together, down, down, push together, down, down. Walk around and drop, kick and drop. So this is step, I'm gonna have to look at the board. That is step 6. Step 5 is the push and pull. Then we walk around for step 6. Walk around yourself, 3, 4, lunge, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Moving on, this is the chorus, also known as step 8. Step together, jump, jump. Step together, jump, jump. 3 times. Step left, pick up the right foot, drop. That's your single pirouette, okay? All right, next video will be with music.